Welcome back now. It's mid-morning on WKYT, and we're glad you're here in the cold weather like we have right now, and low humidity levels result in dry air, and that steals moisture away from your skin. Dr. James Lagrew is here with some tips on winter skin care. We were talking, this in some ways can be the toughest season of the year on your skin, right?
It can be.
What is the deal? The dry skin seems to be more of a problem now than it is at other times.
It is. This is usually the worst time of the year. Like you mentioned, the humidity is lower, so our skin more easily loses moisture to the environment.
And so there are different ways to try to make things better. One is, I guess, try to find a more humid situation.
Right.
But the other is creams. I mean, what do you do? What are some of the remedies?
Right. So moisturizing is really the key, like you say. We recommend a cream, which has more moisturizing strength over a lotion. So usually we tell people to look for something that has cream on the label to have more strength with adding moisture back to the skin.
You were saying even products that have retinol might not be the best this time of year?
Well, so retinoid containing products which people use for acne or retinol for wrinkle creams and things like that can actually make dryness worse to some degree, so moisturizing is even more important in that setting.
All right, so if you keep up your regular routine, washing your hands as we're told to do, take showers and so forth, that also can take its toll.
It can. So we tell patients the best time to moisturize is right after the shower. So the skin is hydrated from the shower, and if you put moisturizer on, that prevents evaporation and kind of locks in the moisture into the skin. Same thing with washing hands.
When do you know that you have a problem you might need to have addressed professionally?
Sure. So if dryness gets to the point where patients are experiencing cracking with redness and itch and signs of inflammation, that can indicate that you've moved on to having full-on eczema, and that can be something that requires a prescription medicine from a dermatologist.
Yeah, because I mean, even you can just your knuckles can crack and this kind of thing. Does that always indicate it's a major problem, or at that point can you moisturize and overcome it usually?
Sure. It depends. If you're trying over-the-counter moisturizers and you're not getting relief from your symptoms, that's really the best time to consult a physician.
And does covering up help anything, when you're...
Sure, so like you all mentioned, the wind and the elements certainly serve to take away, the moisture from the skin.
All right, if folks would like to get in touch with you, how do they do that?
So the best way to find our contact information is to go to our website, dermconsultants.com.
All right, thanks for coming by. Really appreciate it, and everybody just keep these things in mind.